Do you ever use this? Welcome to my new studio. Great acoustics. Anyway, I thought I'd make a quick beat. I do not have my hard drive, so it's going to be stock plugins. Duplicate this, and then I'm gonna use this one. This makes it sound a little different, which is actually perfect. So together, I like it. This is a cool little bass. Wow, wow, wow. This is definitely different, but I guess that's kind of my thing. By the way, some of you have been asking to get these beats on streaming platforms. I used to upload them, but then I took them back off because it didn't make sense because I'm also on there as an artist, so that's very confusing. But, hold on, how you doing? I'm chilling. Anyway, so I did start uploading my beats again, but to a new streaming platform. It's called Mix, and this one's really designed to connect artists and producers directly with their fan base. Plus, if you upload there, you get paid directly from your fans. It's based on a system of unlocking your music and also different content. You can upload pretty much anything, actually. There's also a chat, so you can actually connect with people that listen to your music, and you get global visibility even as an underground artist or producer because of their unique discovery page. So check that out at mix.com. And if you want to check out my beats and content, you can unlock my profile at mix.com/@AliceByno. And a big shout out to Mix for sponsoring this video. Now let's finish this beat. A little pad, maybe? Same melody? Might want to get that one octave lower. Same for the bass? Sure. You can't not do the 808. And then for the verses, I'm gonna add this arpeggiated synth. Actually, I'm playing the same notes over and over again. This is not the most practical position to be in. Also, my laptop is dirty as f. So this is the 8-bar loop. Let's arrange it. The arrangement has once again been done. Only one thing left to do. Let's have a listen. Hold on. Let me do it like this.
Hey Alice, what the fuck?
actually uncomfortable, so. Let me know what you think of this poppy, energetic beat in the comments. Leave a like if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.